welcome back. It's your pal Dolph here. So this is the beginning episode on series how to become a YouTuber and how to just start a YouTube channel. So first we're gonna start off with like what kind of content you want to make and overall what kind of videos you want to do for the rest of your channel. So personally, I decided that I kind of just wanted to go free for all and just do whatever I felt like doing on my channel, which isn't the best idea, but this is just mainly for to kind of keep track on of how I've evolved throughout the years. Like, I've started this channel on July 4th, 2020, and my YouTube anniversary is coming up, and my content has changed in many aspects, but also stayed kind of consistent in a lot of other aspects. It's kind of nice to see how it's changed throughout the years. But if you can't figure out what you want to start off with, first of all, I suggest that you try doing content that you enjoy and stuff that you're passionate about. So if you like drawing, try starting an art channel. If you like gaming, try starting a gaming channel, and vice versa. So if you don't know what you want to do, I suggest opening up ChatGPT. And I know you guys heard about this for a while, so introducing ChatGPT, log in or sign up, whichever it is. I'm just gonna log in really quickly. Okay, so give me a YouTube channel niche that will help me gain popularity. I think that will work. So you want to get specific. Instead of I would say, like, I guess 30 is a good start. So give me 30 YouTube channel niche. Okay, I wrote niche, but that's fine. Okay. So it will give you 30 different ideas. It might be different for you guys, but here's 30 ideas. Okay, so I'll just do, let's just say, gaming and let's plays. Once that's done, you can choose your own channel name. I personally chose Dolph's Den because I was really into wolves at the time. So instead of my full quote-unquote YouTuber name, Dolphus, I chose Dolph for short because it kind of rolls off the tongue a little easier. But once that's done, let's just say gaming and let's plays. Give me 30. This might be slightly inaccurate, but give me 30 channel names for gaming and let's plays channels. And they will give you just 30 different names. Don't forget to check if your name is taken or not on YouTube, because you would want to get a name that hasn't been taken up yet. And also check, just do a quick Google search to see what the results are, just to figure out if that's how you want to start off. And make sure it rolls off the tongue, it's easy to remember, and personally, if you enjoy it. And that's what matters most. And then after that, I would suggest just once that's done, once you get your channel name, once you get all that set up, obviously make your account, start your channel, and then go on to adding your channel description. So I will do that in a second. Okay, so this is my backup channel, and I'm just going to use this to show you what to do, and this is like the channel I'm going to improve. So since I already have my name and my ad and everything set up, I'm just gonna, so once you get your account done, go over here and then go to and press your channel. I'm doing this on a PC. If it's your phone, it should be pretty similar, but let me know if you, down in the comments, if you need further help. So you're gonna go to your channel and then customize channel. So there's a lot of things you can add. It's very overwhelming. That's okay. We can start by one. Obviously, you're gonna want to make your first video, if you can, a trailer. If not, that's fine. You can also do it as soon as you think you got the hang of it, so you know what your channel is gonna be about, and that's gonna give you a little bit more a better representation of who you are. And there is an option for a featured video for returning subscribers. And then you can add multiple sections. There's a shorts video section. You could add other sections too. And featured channels, videos. Obviously you see my main account is a featured channel. So here's the layout tab, the branding tab, and the basic info tab. So the branding tab is where you're going to put your profile picture and your banner and your video watermark. This is all kind of out of date, except for the profile pic kind of, but we will get to that in a later video. So for basic info, you choose your name, my handle is there, and your description. So back to ChatGPT. I'm just gonna list out my personality and ask them to give me a description. Give me a description. Give me a YouTube. Description for my channel profile. Describing. We have this set up, and then also since this is my alt account, also mention that this is an alt account. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste this into the description, and it is too long, so let me edit this. So you will want to do max 1000 characters. And this will specify that they can make the description, so this should be good. Okay, we're gonna copy and paste this into the description, and it's just about enough. And then you can add languages here and add links to whatever extra social medias. Add your email address so other people know how to contact you if you do have one. And then all you do is press publish once you are done. Alright guys, I think that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell on the way out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!